Well, welcome to Hadrian's Forge, Educational Blacksmithing. I'm Scott, and today we're just going to take a step and examine a skill and in preparation for an upcoming project, and basically find out what I'm going to need to advance with it. And what we have, we're going to start with, is this quarter round. Now it's real close to 4 inches, but just a hair under. And the math says I need to have it at 3.92 something or other. So I think we'll be pretty good. And we'll be, and because of this being a blacksmithing show, I'm sure that if push comes to shove, we can use the proper application of heat and hammer and make some minor adjustments as we need to. Anyway, so this is going to end up being a link of chain. So, and because we don't care, it's not a customer thing, and it's just for us and a learning curve, I'm going to basically, I'm marking a ½ inch from each end because the space in between our circles is 1 inch, and then an inch off a half center, and then that leaves whatever that massive decimal happens to be. And of course, so that we can see it in the oven, okay, now we got it all marked up. I'm gonna go wake up the baby dragon, and we'll see if we can't make this thing glow and beat it with hammer. Don't forget to tell me what you're thinking down in the comments below. here we are. All set. And sometimes a project is nothing more than just doing one piece. So don't be afraid to break things down. Do different pieces one at a time. Work it out. That's what this is. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'm hoping to get better. Closed captioning is still going to be an issue, but I'm working on it. So anyway, hit that reminder and subscribe button so you get those notifications when the next video's up. Until next vid, you all remember, you're all wonderful people.